I am Sherlock, and this is my Computer Science IB internal assessment. I decided to create a game that is similar to Terraria. The user starts on a main menu screen with the choice between three different options: New, Load, and Quit. New will allow the user to create a new world, and when they hit the Create World button, a new world is generated. As one of my goals was to create terrain that would continue to generate as the player would move, I decided to split the terrain up into sections, which allows for new terrain to be generated more easily as the player runs out of existing terrain. Each of these sections is split up into blocks which contain information about the points on the grid, such as how long that block it takes to destroy, if the player can destroy it, what color it is, and if the player can pass through it. So this gray is stone, and it can be destroyed. It's gray, and the player cannot pass through it. The light blue cannot be destroyed, is blue, and the player can pass through it. A couple actions the player can perform are placing and breaking blocks. They break blocks by hovering over one and holding left click, and they place blocks by pressing right click. They can select which type of block to place by using the scroll wheel, and which block they have selected is shown on the top left. They can also move and jump around, and as they move farther away from previously generated terrain, new terrain will be generated, so they can continue to walk in a single direction for as long as they want. Also, whenever they close the program, then the world and the information about it will be saved to a file, which then can be loaded from the main menu later.